A wise man said, "You don't have to experience it all. You can seek support and learn from an experienced person." We have with us very smart, intelligent and energetic Samrat Reddy, the founder of Drunken Monkey.
People told me you have to study too hard to be an MABS student. So I said, okay, I'll do engineering. Not that I had any interest in it or such, but then the 4 years I did a little bit of studies, a little bit of play. And then after that, I started a few businesses.
Your tagline says, naturally high,
Right.
and it shows that you get people high naturally. So you put two contradictory words together.
There are other ways to be high as well. And having a healthy lifestyle and having natural produce like fruits is going to keep you high all the time. Want us to just go out there and browse the internet and pick up some smoothie recipe and put it on, because if you browse the internet, all the smoothies recipes you get are westernized.
Correct, you're
And
right.
they're not for the Indian fruits as such. You don't find the normal Indian fruits. The base fruit itself is a western fruit which needs to be imported.
At any point, do you have ideas or intention to explore and come up with some exotic concoctions?
100% actually. So what we were in the process of doing before the lockdown was we were trying to identify certain states have certain unique fruits.
How did you end up making it powerful, yet accepting, yet also finding a strong customer base for your product?
When I wanted to start it, actually, a lot of consultants told me that if you're looking at it from a business point of view, why do you want to do smoothies? Why do you want to do something like this? If you want to sell F&B in Hyderabad, why don't you start dosas or biryanis? We are missing a very, very basic part of life, and I just want to bring it back. I don't care what sells now, but in the future this should sell. Our dream as for Drunken Monkey is to do what Starbucks did to coffee. They made Starbucks is what made coffee into a lifestyle. I think we are in the right path. People used to tell us that we are 2 years ahead of our time and people will not accept us.
Okay.
But now what's happened is we are right there in the middle of this pandemic, and we are the right product for keeping people fit and healthy.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I love the vision. So what is the favorite part of you being an entrepreneur?
You know that every day can be a surprise. And I like the part that it's awesome that you know that you can fail any day.
So do you think food choices can steer a person towards sustainable living?
200%. I think food is what we are, right? Like
Right.
we get up and we eat food to live. So if you're not taking care of what goes into your body, you're not taking care of yourself. Certain decisions we made, it meant that it would be costlier for us to implement certain things.
Right.
Because we're not going with the easiest options like plastic or whatever is available. But then it didn't matter because see, we didn't start this company with the goal of, okay, listen, this should be our profit margin, or this should be the number of $1 million you need to make. We are a departmentalist company. We are a non-hierarchy. Like if someone gets into our office, no one would know whose role is what. Like
wow.
based on where we sit, or they would
Right.
not know like I'm the founder. They wouldn't know that someone else is blah 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 blah. Trust myself and my team that we will not do anything wrong. Each one of us will explore and become a Superman your own, or Superman or Superwoman in your own right. And no one can beat that.
So thank you, Samrat, for coming on our show. As a token of gratitude, we have a small, healthy and nourishing hamper from Nourish You.
Thanks a lot, Shilpa.